Hi, how's it going?
I'm sorry for the
Bob.
delay. I was in the other meeting.
Don't worry, it's fine. Right. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, nice. That's cool. Perfect. Lovely. Let's do some portraits as well. Okay. Yeah, lovely. Perfect. And then let's get you over here. Same thing, you can kind of be leaning in there, kind of thing. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. And then let's get you side so you're facing me, and you can just lean maybe to one side of the. Yeah, and move your whole body over so you can just be like, yeah, it's only going to be top 3/4. You can bring that leg over if you want. Right. Yeah, nice. Perfect. Let's have a look. And let's get your arms crossed, I reckon. Let's get some arms crossed. That's it. Perfect. Hold that for me. Perfect. Okay, cool. Yep, stay there. Okay. Nice. And then let's get your hair done up for a few shots as well. And let's get you down to this door. This is a change of colour. That's it. Again, just lean. You can lean in against here, I reckon. Come into this corner here. That's it. Perfect. Yeah, lovely. Cool.